What's up, everybody? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. As you can see, it is dark. We ain't racing. Bittersweet's about ready, but it's boys' day today. It's boys' weekend. It's a little after 5:30 here in Georgia. We're headed to Martinsville for the Valley Star Credit Union 300, old long bank name. So Saturday morning, gonna make I think it's like 5.5 hours up through there. Me and Fred about to bolt out of here. We're gonna stop in Greenville, pick Tyler up. We worked on Bittersweet till about 12:30 last night. So we real tired, but we about to be 85 on 85 for a fun-filled day. Had to make a quick stop by M&M Autos. Got hired to handle the social media accounts here. So if your business needs a little splash, let old Boo know, So we can get your business headed in the right direction on social media, because if there's one thing I figured out is social media game. So trying to make your business grow, let old Boo know. On to 85 and get Tyler. And there ain't nobody out this time of morning as we get rolling down. Do a little bit of that. Hey, we probably do a little bit of 95 on 85. I say there ain't nobody on the interstate this morning. Look behind us. Hell, I guess they all going to Martinsville too. So y'all know what to do. We'll grab a gear, get going. There was the gear. 85 on 85. All the way to get us one of them Martinsville hot dogs.
Windshield wipers.
Y'all know how much we like them sunrises. Kind of like a big sky. I don't go to Montana and see the big sky. We listen to Huffman Racing Radio as we still roll on the way. Seeing what Landon's been into lately. Y'all go check out his YouTube stuff when you get done watching ours. So a little bit longer, 85 on 85, and we'll be there. We finally made it to the Greenville exit. Took us a little longer than what we thought. Bunch of traffic. Tyler jumped in the car out of his new to him Chevrolet, be ready to go. Like I said, we was up a little past 1 last night, left out early this morning. There, go fold them windows in. Hurry up, we got some beer to go drink. Stopped at the QT, get us a little bit of push water. What'd you get? Oh, they got a biscuit. Man beside us beating it to death over there. He's booming and a banging. I can't say nothing. We don't wear hearing protection at racetrack, but gas $3.38 out here on the East Coast. Mighty chilly this morning. So we got story time at the Quick Trip. So we ate Chick-fil-A last night and I had to take a 10-200. Well, one of the stalls has got caution tape on it and the other one don't have caution tape. Luckily, that one was open. So I went in there, doing what you need to do at the Quick Trip. 10-200 and up. Young man comes in the stall beside me, don't care that caution tape's all over it like it's a crime scene. He gets in there and we both figure out why it's got caution tape on it. The toilet flushes and it looked like a damn water park ride in there. Water shoots over the wall. These guys are hearing this story for the first time with y'all. Shoots over the wall, under the wall. I already took one bath this morning, damn 5 o'clock. I didn't plan on taking another one. So I jump up. As you can tell what kind of state I'm in, sitting down doing what I need to do. My damn sunglasses fly off over the wall. Somebody gets them, so now I gotta buy another damn pair of sunglasses. Moral of the story, if it's caution tape on the bathroom stall door, don't take in there, because I didn't plan on taking 2 showers. Quick Trip don't sell soap. But other than that, on the way back, 85 on 85, headed to Martinsville, get us a hot dog. I always wanted y'all to see that cookout sign when I come through right outside Charlotte. I didn't even know they had a mascot. But rolling through Charlotte still, well, hell, I'm lying to you. 78 on 85, let's get it back up. We get there a little bit quicker. We have got the dreaded news as we rolled into Concord, North Carolina, that they have postponed the race till tomorrow. As you can see, we're at the Charlotte Motor Speedway trying to figure out what we gonna do. Just happens to be that NHRA's in town at the drag strip. Go over and see John Force, but look like it's gonna rain here any second. Already drizzling pretty bad. There's the dirt track. Well, I know you can't see it that good, but there's grandstand to the dirt track. I always told Fred I'd bring him to this museum, and today might be the day. It might just happen that we got the bad news right here at the right place. Any Ricky Bobby fans, and there's me. I don't even know if this beer joint's open or not. We're gonna find out. So we give us some time to figure out what we're gonna do. Might go back, work on Bittersweet, might go on up there and have a beer with some folks. All right, Fred, a little chilly up here, ain't it?
Breathe. Yep.
Fred, we're trying to figure out, do we go to Martinsville, me and Tyler drink beer and tell lies and you drive us home, or do we go finish a race car up? Or for right now, I've been telling you for years.
Oh, 72 coming at the little orange.
Hey, now, there might be a car show around here. We done seen quite a bit of cars here. Let's go in here and look at these Race cars in here. I always told you I was gonna bring you here. I didn't expect it to be during the rain out on the way to Martinsville, but here we are. Already postponed it till tomorrow.
Yeah. 426.
18,000 square feet of us to walk around while we figure out what we're gonna do. Either go on and go tell lies, drink beers in the campground, or go home and work on race cars. Roll in the museum, $8 a piece. We're making the best of this trip. There's the possum right away, and Richard Petty. We done seen, oh, Richard Petty got him a little thing. And there's the DeLorean. We go back to the future. You take me back 1982. Fred done found him a Chevelle like he's got. Hey, you have two of them, Fred. Gonna take this one home? You just drive down 85 and ain't 3.5 hours.
Yeah, well, I'm down home. Let me see.
Tyler being perverted over there with the rocket. I wish somebody'd build a Pinto. I'd give them all the YouTube support in the world. Somebody build another Pinto to run mini stock. I mean a true Pinto. Hatchback Pinto. Turn and look. Terry Labonte's Budweiser car. Them bubble back glasses. That's the way your car gonna be. Your street stock with the glass. And Tyler's real good at putting them back glasses like that, like a back glass whisperer or something.
Do it on this side.
That man right there been waiting on a woman a long time. Nothing but skin. Ain't even skin. He just bones now. I wasn't paying attention when I turned around. That woman scared the hell out of me. I turned around. What's that woman's name? Her went around shooting everybody. She scared the crap out of me when I turned around. That was the thing looking me right in the face. Bonnie and Clyde.
Yeah.
And they got shot, what, 47 times?
Yeah.
Somebody in the comments tell us how many times they got shot.
She already got the ball and chain. That's what you get sometimes when you get married. You get the ball and
I
chain.
don't think you need to be giving relationship advice. Why don't you buy it?
My mama wouldn't let me. She had to get killed in it.
Oh, so she let you drive all them Pontiacs and
Big old-
Chevelles and big old Impalas, but
It was
she wouldn't let you buy a two-door.
this
Deluxe.
was a 2-door deluxe. It was a 2-door coupe.
Oh, the one you was gonna buy? How much you gonna have to give for it?
$1,500.
Hell, that's probably about 15,000 back in.
Mm-hmm. I had a 60 over 350 in it.
Hey, Mark Martin. I always loved that paint scheme. Felt like it was the most underrated paint scheme of the era. We done made it to the race car part of the museum now. You get two racers. They want to look at jack bolts and fabricate it this way, fabricate it that way. Should have done this back in 50 and 60. Oh, Monday morning quarterbacks over there. Yeah, we rounded the corner and there's Ruby and John's drive-in. Go back and get us a slaw burger, fries, and a bottle of ski. Foot-long hot dog, 15 cents. Go to the hot.
Forget.
Oh, hit your head trying to go take a leak. Hey, Fred, they got the Winston posters up here. I wonder if they got the one for Tim Richmond. Oh, there it is. Fred, he's got his thumb out over here. Come look. Fred.
His thumb out like that.
Yeah, Richmond got his thumb out in that picture. Right there on the...
Yep.
I don't know if that's his thumb or not.
Those been his sausage. What they
His,
said.
his what?
His sausage.
Fred, this family show. Well, that's a fun time. Done quit raining. NHRA, well, never mind, it's still drizzling. I don't think we're going to be able to go see John Forrest do nothing. We decided against going to Martinsville today. Might ride up with some buddies tomorrow. I don't know. We really need to go back and work on Bittersweet, get that thing finished up. That way we can get ready to go to Dillon Motor Speedway on October 14th. But I'm going to take these boys somewhere nice. I guess it's getting close to lunchtime. Trying to make the best of it up here anyway.
They shall
All
not be
right.
none of that now.
Me and Tyler done found a couple go-kart tracks. If I had my watermelon helmet to bring, I would have done it. But we found this little place to go grab something to eat at, so I'm gonna take these boys to get some lunch. Figure while we was in the area, I brought Fred here before, but I ain't never brought Tyler, so we'll get us a little barbecue.
Yeah.
Fred really enjoys this beer joint, so it's big on NASCAR history. Anybody ever ate the Lancaster? Hell, I don't know how to say it. That's the same way as that dirt track over there. They say Lancasters. Hell, I don't know what to say, but it's got a bunch of NASCAR memorabilia in here and a school bus we're gonna sit in and eat. What say, Fred? I ruined the surprise.
No, not really. No.
You gonna wait and tell him? Hey, they got a little cooler. How's that shoulder feeling? Tell everybody you baptized by a streetcar. We ain't got your MRI done.
Yeah.
Waiting on results. You gonna go under the knife?
I don't know Thursday.
You might not be ready by the time we go to New Year's bash.
We can baptize that shoulder for you.
Yeah, Tyler said baptize the shoulder.
I might just have to do it like this.
Wrap it in the bandage. We making New Year's bash both cars this year. Yeah, that'll be fun. Hello, pig. Told y'all we was gonna be sitting in a school bus. So we'll walk up in here and have to be careful with the music playing. Tyler's so dang tall, he about touched his head about hit the roof in the school bus here. I gotta be careful, I gotta talk real loud in the microphone. They get me that music playing, they'll copyright us, but they sure enough, it's got the steering wheel up here and everything. It's ready to go. So once we get done eating, Fred just fire it off and we'll go. Come to the bathroom to wash up. I like our sinks in here. Go show them how sinks work out, Fred. Had to take a 10-100. Good job showing them how they work, Fred. Hell, I don't know. They gotta be your gas pedal down there, Fred. Mash your gas pedal. There it is. Now you can wash your hands. Get you a look at the bus. The bus was sitting in right there, and then we got Richard Petty sitting on top of us. Fred gonna go in there and get a picture. I got the redneck fries here. It ain't called like Langley Speedway's redneck fries. I think I might be hurting here in a little bit. Fred got the barbecue sandwich. Tyler got the barbecue too. The Eastern North Carolina barbecue a little bit different. So I'm gonna dig in the fries. I get a review of them in a little bit. Taking one last look at the beer joint before we leave the school bus. Barbecue's too much. We eat on that thing all the way back to the race shop. And we come outside and it looks like the tropical storm the tail part that we was catching is over with. Beautiful weather out here today, but it's still bad at Martinsville. Wish Mooresville Dragway was racing. Oh yeah, Weatherman Fred, tell them about it. What's it do? Take traction control off, spin out?
Yeah, it turns. It get to come in one way and then it'll
go out the other way?
Yeah, hurricane.
All right, Ken Cook. You better be glad I ain't got my helmet. I'd spin you slap out.
You got to catch him first.
I'll wait on you when you come back around. You All right, on to the next destination. Well, I got to looking and Mooresville Dragway's racing today, so while we're here, we might as well just come watch a little drag racing before we head back to Greenville. Surprise the fellas with it as we go by more race shops. Go win us a few dollars on bet. Well, we made it back to the race shop. Mooresville Dragway was let down. There's 3 cars. It broke my heart so much I didn't even record it. Well, back here at the race shop, get you a look at Bittersweet. Our nose piece came in. So it's going back together good. Let me give you a view of it. Yeah, beat up fenders. Tyler gonna make some more if we can get some sheet metal. Not, we're just gonna ride with them. Put the nose piece together now. Fred got him an improvised workstation out here to take the wear strip off the other nose. A little Conway playing in there this morning. We already got our setup. Watched Martinsville today since we didn't get to make it yesterday. If I hadn't told y'all, it's already a day ahead. It's Sunday now, so we got Martinsville set up and taking the TV in there and watching. Tyler getting started on the bumper bar. She is bent. Fred, you kind of like a sore. You show up when work's done. Easy family show.
Angle and roll a 220-foot circle.
What's the odds on each one? Tyler 10-1 odds in a fight with Fred. red beets, wheat chicken. Watch Martinsville. I got us wings from Publix. Watch Martinsville and eat. I just got the old regular grilled wings, but we found these that's been on steroids here. These things didn't miss leg day at all.
Chase Robertson, Chase Ratliff out of Bristol, Virginia, rounds out a 21-car field for qualifying.
The qualifying race win. What's going through your mind right now? Because I saw you look at Daniel Silvestri and say, "I'm sorry, man." What was that about?
Before the race.
Well, we got the nose on today. Put everything together on this, coming together. Shouldn't be too much longer. Bittersweet be ready to go back to Georgia.
Well, right there's that ranch in the Allen Head for the rest of them. Alrighty then. Somewhere right there.
We're calling it a day. I come in here to the office part of the store. Nothing better ride home than cold yoo-hoo, chocolate water, if you will. Well, we have finally made it back to Jefferson, Georgia. I know expected to go to Martinsville. Heck, we all did, man, but the rain got us. So hope y'all have enjoyed today's episode, the content. We made the best of it that we could. But now it's time to get in there, eat the rest of them wings, and watch Martinsville. So good luck to all my buddies. By the time I see it, race will be over with. Hopefully it's a good finish. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost done with Bittersweet. Ready to go street stock racing again. Real excited. But thank y'all very much. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.